Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake for business using an easy method. First, select high-quality, readily available ingredients to ensure consistent results and cost-effectiveness. Next, streamline your preparation process by using a no-bake recipe, which significantly reduces oven time and energy consumption. Focus on creating individual portions, perhaps using 4-ounce ramekins, for convenient packaging and quick sales. This approach helps maintain freshness and offers customers a perfect single serving every time. To begin, you will need essential ingredients like 2 pounds of full-fat cream cheese, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. For the crust, about 200 grams of crushed biscuits and 1/2 cup of melted butter work perfectly. Equipment-wise, a sturdy stand mixer or a powerful hand mixer is crucial for achieving a smooth, airy batter. Also, prepare 24 individual 4-ounce molds or small springform pans for your cheesecakes. Ensure you have ample refrigeration space. The no-bake process is incredibly straightforward. First, combine your crushed biscuits with melted butter and press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your chosen molds. Next, in a large bowl, whip the softened cream cheese with sugar until it is light and fluffy, then gradually fold in the heavy cream until well combined. Pour this creamy mixture over your prepared crusts. Chill the cheesecakes in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to ensure they set perfectly. Garnish just before serving. For business success, scaling your production is key. Prepare large batches of the cheesecake mixture and crust simultaneously to maximize efficiency. Consider offering a diverse range of toppings, such as a vibrant berry compote, a rich chocolate ganache, or a zesty lemon curd, to appeal to various tastes. Present your individual cheesecakes in clear, attractive packaging that highlights their quality and makes them easy for customers to take away. Proper refrigeration at 40 degrees Fahrenheit will keep them fresh for up to 5 days, ensuring minimal waste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.